This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 5. For my sample, I cast on 20 stitches with worsted weight yarn and US size 6 needles. For row 1, you're going to repeat purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, and knit 1. So that's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, and knit 1. For row 2, you're going to repeat purl 6, knit 1, purl 6, and knit 1. For row 3, you're going to repeat purl 1, slip 1, and you're going to slip purlwise, knit 2, and then you're going to pass your slipped stitch over the 2 knit stitches. You're going to do that again, slip 1, purlwise, knit 2, and pass the slipped stitch over the 2 knit stitches. So that's your repeat. Purl 1, slip 1, knit 2, pass the slipped stitch over the 2 knits, slip 1, knit 2, pass your slipped stitch over the 2 knits. And for row 4, you're going to repeat purl 4, knit 1. And that's the repeat. Purl 4, knit 1. You just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.